Alright, so what we've got here is my first Earth curvature test. I had a hypothesis, knowing that living in the Santa Monica Mountains I could see Catalina Island, Nicholas, San Clemente, beyond. But I never thought about it, did the math, anything like that. So I saw some hot air balloons, pulled over, just wanted to do a little quick filming, and while I was at it, thought I'd look around and see if I could see any of the islands from here, since this is in San Diego, at Black Mountain, at the paraglider port. So a little lower down, you can see the elevation on the right-hand side of the screen. I know it's a little crowded, but wanted you to see the telemetry data so you can judge for yourself. And this part's a little boring, but you can see I'm just searching for the islands and seeing absolutely nothing. But as the sun set, this caught my eye. Now we should only see the upper half of the island. The globe horizon should be at 38 miles, and we can see practically down to the waterline, which is 72 miles away at the closest part of the island. So I'm being generous with this box here. It's probably wider, but since there's a little wiggle, I'm just leaving it. You can see the math up at the top and check it for yourself with any curvature calculator or spherical trigonometry. So this was a pretty amazing moment for me, and needless to say, I didn't sleep much that night. This is a year into looking at the topic for me. And once you see it for yourself, things change. Those are just clouds there. But if they weren't there, St. Nicholas is past further. You may even be able to see it, which is 125 miles away. So the boat, I didn't check marine traffic to see how far it was off, but inconsequential, we got what we needed. And if you want to skip through this part, at about 2:45, here's San Clemente Island. The south point is Pyramid Head, 72 miles. And the north point is 85 miles. So we should really only be able to see that very top plateau. The vast majority of that island should be hidden, but we can see right down to the water in the military airport. So this is just wild. 1,400 feet should be hidden. The highest point is 1,900 feet, so you should only see the very top. Now the only explanation is that this is curving up around the globe. But use a little discernment and come to your own conclusion.